part B, and then let me just represent this x equals to 2 on this number line. So this is my x equals to 2. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, this is your x equal to 2, and then you have this x bigger than 4. So can you see bigger and equal to 4? So
Yeah.
4 is included, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So if 4 is included, so it should be a solid dot. So solid dot bigger is to the left or to the right?
To the right.
To the right. Okay, good. So to the right. So any overlap or not?
Yeah.
Can you see any overlap? Any collision?
No.
No collision. Then just now you say yes, right?
Have.
Have or don't have? Here. The 2 is here. Then this line go to the right. Any collision?
No.
Okay, good. So you can simply say no collision. So if there is no collision, x equal to 2 is not a solution. Are you clear?
Yeah.
If there is a collision, then it's a solution. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, I don't need you to move around. I don't need you to shake the camera. Can you settle down and stabilize? Can you? Okay, go to the PDF. I don't need you to be still also, but of course you don't move around so much. Okay. So okay. So there is this. Okay, in fact your answer is wrong for E and G. Do you know why? Zoom into E and G. I tell you why your answer for E and G is wrong. Do you know why or not? Okay, number one, how can you divide by a, okay, so you have a negative 6x, right? You divide by a 3, you tell me you get x. Are you serious? Negative 6x, you divide by a 3. Are you serious? You get x. How do you get x? You're not supposed to make these kind of mistakes at this stage. You have a calculator to help you. You are taking a bit too long. Just 9 divided by negative 6. What did I say just now? When doing inequality, complete the statement.
When doing inequality, multiply or divide by negative signs. Need to change the sign.
So, negative sign, change the sign.
Multiply or division of by negative sign, negative number. Need to change the sign.
I use the word switch. 明白咪？So based on your based on this statement, what do you think? So you divide by negative 6, right?
Yeah.
And this is inequality, right?
Yeah.
So what you need to do?
Change the sign.
Switch.
The sign.
Go ahead, switch. Wait, you don't write one more time. You just switch. Erase the bigger sign and then switch. Yes. When you switch you switch the last step, okay? The last step. Are you clear? Okay, good. So this is the answer. Go ahead. I think you make the same mistake for the this part. Yes. First thing first. Divide by 14 or divide by negative 14.
Negative 14.
So when you divide, so you are doing inequality in this case, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So always remember the statement. When doing inequality, you need to take note of this. Go ahead. Yep. Use a different color. Change accordingly. So has your teacher taught you how to do inequality?
No, not yet.
By the way,
We only started on the fraction algebra.
Alright, but anyway, I thought I should see divide by negative 14 on the left and then divide by negative 14 on the right. I don't see divide by negative 14 on the right. You better use your calculator and double check your this 2.5. Is it 2.5?
Yeah, 2.5.
Okay, good. Okay, go to the Jamboard. Jamboard slide 12. Okay, good. How do you represent this? X smaller equal to 2.5. How do you represent this on the number line? Show me. Solid or hollow? How do you decide? How do you decide? Solid circle or
hollow.
why hollow?
What's the sign, the inequality sign?
Huh? Nope, that's not how you decide. Ask yourself, is 2.5 included?
Yeah.
Is 2.5 included?
Yes.
If it's included, so solid. Yes, solid. Give it a solid dot. Okay, good. Less. To the left or to the right?
To the left.
Go. Arrow to the left. Okay, so over here you don't have a you don't have a ruler. I'm fine with it. But if you do it as homework, you have a ruler. Use a ruler. Are you clear?
Okay.
So this is how you represent this. So do you know how you decide hollow or solid or hollow now? So you just ask yourself this question. You clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So next, okay, go back to the PDF and we can look at other questions. You question mark. Okay, good. Question 5. Hold on. Let me just get it to the... Hey, next time, right, can I just suggest you, can you just use the Jamboard and then upload this to the Jamboard and then do it on the Jamboard? You have to try. Because I also, look, by the way, it is my first experience with Jamboard. Okay? If I manage to do it, or I manage to upload pictures, by the way, this is a pictures. This one is a picture, you know. Okay? If I manage to upload the picture to this Jamboard, I think you can do it as well, right? If you can't, it's okay. Go ahead, try it out. If you don't know what to do, watch my video and you know what to do because it's recorded. And you better know what to do with the Jamboard because this is part of your IT skills. Are you clear? If you can do it, good. You are ahead. Okay? Try. Okay. If you don't know how to do, watch my recorded video and you know what to do. Okay, good. So now let's look at the question. Okay, first thing first. How do you solve this question? You do this, 5x smaller or equal to 3. So how do you get x? Are you looking at the Jamboard? Divide by
5.
You are doing inequality. So divide by 5, is it a negative number?
No.
No. So do you need to switch?
No.
No need. So we don't have to switch. Okay, good. No switch. Okay, that's the answer. So x is smaller than 0.6. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so write down this. Can you represent this on a number line? Go. Quick, do it. So this is your step 1. This is your step 2. Go.
Hold on.
什么 Why?
Um.
Double 0.6.
Yeah.
So solid or hollow?
Solid.
Why?
Because 0.6 is included.
Okay, write down the statement. Write down the statement. Then just put a solid in front here. Solid cos 0.6 is included. Okay, good. So left or right? Arrow left or arrow right?
Left.
Go. Show it. Okay, very good. So now, write down 3 possible integer solutions of each. So how? Can you see any integer here? No? So what's the next integer?
0.4.
0.4 is an integer? What is an integer? We talk about that. Okay, let me go to the next slide. I just want to write down. Okay, so your 0.6, 0.7, 0.5. So your solution is this. Solid, and then to the left. What's the next integer? What's the meaning of integer? Integer. What's the integer? What's the definition of integer?
The definition of an integer.
We talked about it last time. I think during your holiday.
A number that is not a fraction.
Yep, not fraction, not decimal. Okay, so -2, -1, 0, 1,
Must
2,
be a
3.
whole number.
Yes, so all this, right?
Yeah.
So your next integer is the left hand side here. So you should focus on here. What's the next one? 0.6, no, 0.5. Further to the left.
0.
0, very good. Then some more. They want 3, so this is
-1.
very good. So -1.
-2.
Very good. 3. They say 3, right?
Yeah.
So let me go to the question. They say what? Write down 3 possible. Okay, good, done. So these are the 3 answers. So 0, -1, -2. Are you clear? Are you clear or not?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's go back to the previous slide. Okay, let's do D. Dot. D for dog. Erase. Can you do D here? On the Jamboard. Go to the previous slide. Yes, I have erased it for you. Okay, go ahead and do D. D for dog. The first step, solve it first. Write it smaller so that you have more space later on. Yeah. Good. Why you switch? Why you switch the sign?
Multiple -4.
Multiply?
Eh?
Where's the multiply?
Oh no, wait.
What is the statement?
Multiply or division
Division?
by negative signs must switch. By negative number must switch signs.
Okay, repeat.
Multiply or divide
Mm-hmm.
by negative numbers
Mm-hmm.
must switch the signs.
So switch or don't switch in this case?
No.
Why not? You divide by what?
-4.
So? Can you repeat the statement?
Multiply or divide by negative numbers must change signs or switch signs.
So switch or don't switch in this case? What are you doing? Switch or don't switch?
Switch,
Why?
because there is the divide and the negative.
Correct. So switch. I purposely challenge you. Okay, good. Can you represent this on the number line? 来，快点，这里 draw the number line yourself. You have a ruler, right? Can you do it?
Let me check my pencil case.
Yeah, please. Huh? You check your pencil case? You better have. You are at home.
Oh yeah, I have. Oh my.
Not. I mean, I don't need you to be 100% accurate, but accurate enough. Okay, good. Looks good. Looks good. 可以了，够了。By the way, you need to put an arrow. Put an arrow here to tell people, okay, it goes to the right. Okay, but I stop somewhere. Okay, good. Okay. What did I say? You need to write, yeah, one number on the right, one number on the left. Minimum. Okay, bigger than 18. Okay, good. Solid or hollow?
Hollow.
Why?
Because 18 is not included.
Very good. Give it a hollow circle. Okay, to the right or to the left?
To the right.
Okay, good. Stop. Okay, just now I asked you to do the circle here, right? On the line, right? So from now onwards, can you see that this one, it looks like with a plus in between? I mean, with a plus in inside. So from today onwards, from now onwards, I want you to like do it just above, so that okay. So get rid of this circle on the line, move it to above. Okay, so don't do it on the line anymore. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Good. Okay, so bigger means go ahead. Okay, very good. So what is the next three possible integer? Yeah. This part.
18. 20.
Is 18 included or not?
No.
The next three. I thought 19 is one. You can circle it already, right? Can you write? Can you like show the numbers on the three? 三个. Yeah. So 19, 20, and 21. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's how you solve 5. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Go back to the PDF. You can look at other questions. This is all 7.
This is the same, right?
Same, right? But they want the smallest, huh? So that means, let me just, never mind. It's okay. Step 1, step 2 is the same, but step 3 is not the same. But never mind. Let me just get it. Okay, go to 15. Okay, good. So let me just do boy, B. So step 1, very simple. How do you get x? Divide by 5, right?
Yeah.
So can you help me out? Use a calculator. Give me a decimal number.
A decimal. Negative 12.8.
Good. So how do you represent negative? How do you represent this thing? So you write down negative 12.8 first. So on the right, on the left, so I will say this is my negative 13. This is my negative 11. Okay, are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Bigger. Okay, so first thing first. Okay, so negative 12.8 is not included, right?
Yeah.
So hollow. So I give a hollow. Bigger. Bigger means to the right. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now it says find the smallest integer x. Smallest integer. What's the smallest integer here? This part. What's the smallest integer? Oh, by the way, there is a negative 12. Then negative 11. So the smallest The smallest is negative 12.
Yeah.
Yeah. So negative 12 is the answer. So x, they find the smallest, so x is equal to negative 12. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. By the way, negative 12, negative 11, negative 10, they are both okay. Are you sure? Are you clear?
Yeah.
But they don't want three of them. They want the smallest. So among negative 12, negative 11, negative 10, which one is the smallest? Negative 12. So that's why negative 12 is the answer. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So so let me do A, 4x bigger than 12. So how do you get x? Divide by 4. Divide by 4. Do you need to change sign? Or switch?
No.
No, because it's not negative. Okay, good. So it's x bigger than 3. So 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. Bigger than 3, right? Bigger than 3. So 3 is not included. So solid or hollow?
Hollow.
Hollow, good. Hollow, bigger. This side. So 4, 5, 6. Which one is the smallest?
4.
Yes, good. So x equal to 4 is the answer. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So because you circle, so the rest you need to cross out. So just pick this one. So x equals to 4 is the answer. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So this question is slightly different from the previous one. They want the smallest. Alright? Okay, good. Back to the PDF and we look at last question, right? 第八题. Okay, good. Hold on. Let me just get it to the. Yeah, you should go to 1717, Jamboard. Okay, let's see if your part A answer is correct. I don't know. Let's see. The time taken by a company to make a chair is given 17 hours to make n chairs. Okay. Last time we learned the formula. Distance is equal to. Do you still remember not? Distance is equal to.
Distance.
Cannot remember. Never mind. Speed times time. Okay? So same thing. Now, okay, over here we are not talking about distance. So over here we are talking about how much we accomplish. Make ma, can you see? Make, right? So it's how much accomplishment. So we are talking about accomplishment is equal to speed times time. Similar concept. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So over here it says the time taken by a carpenter to make a chair is 3 hours. So the speed is what? The speed is 1 chair in 3 hours. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So 6 hours, how many chairs? Make a guess. So I give you 6 hours, how many chairs you can accomplish? Proportionality. How many chairs? Given 6 hours. 3 hours, 1 chair. 6 hours?
Times 2.
2, right? Yeah. So let me go to the next slide. Then you will see what. So one chair, 3 hours. So I'm given 6 hours. So you times 2, right? So similarly, you times 2. So it's 2 chairs. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. But now, the question is not 6 hours. The question is 17 hours. Right? Can you see?
Yeah.
So instead of 6 hours, 17. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So how do you reach 17? Don't figure it out with your brain. Go ahead, use a calculator. So what's the factor times what? Hey, I'm waiting for you. I want a fraction. Hello? This part times what? From 3 to 17. What's the... You times what to get 17?
Wait, I'm counting.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So one chair, 3 hours, 17 hours. So how do you get 17? You just use 17 divided by 3 lah, come on.
$28 over 5.
Wait, 17 divided by 3. And then get it into a proper fraction. Do this. Go to the next slide. Do this. 17 divided by 3. Give me a
28.3.
17.
28 over 3.
17 over 3. Use your calculator. 17 over 3. Get it into a proper fraction. Mixed number.
Oh.
How can it be 28? Where is the 28? There is no 28 here. Are you using a calculator?
No.
If you are not using a calculator, I keep asking you to use a calculator, right? So what have you been doing? You think you can manage by your mental calculation? Where's your calculator?
And
We are having math, and then you are not using a calculator. So what you are doing here?
I'm using Google.
Google, okay. You have a calculator. You don't want to use your calculator. Can you stop being lazy? Go and grab your calculator and come back fast. You need to be ready with your calculator, okay? All right, 17 over 3. Next time you are having our lesson, you better get your tools ready. All right? You know what tools you need. 17 over 3.
1 whole 2 over 3.
If you don't use calculator, you are not going to get the factor out, okay? We have been doing this since 2 years ago. So, how many chair here? 5 over 3, right? So,
Yes.
17 hours can make this many chair, right? 17 hours, this many chairs, right?
Yeah.
Can you make 2/3 chair or not? So can you choose? So you write down this, you have a 5 2/3 number line. So just
Yeah.
get yourself a number line. 5 and 2/3 is here. So 5 is on the left, 6 is on the right. So you can only make this. So it's a solid dot. So this is x equal to 5 and 2/3 in 17 hours. Can you make 6 or not? 17 hours you make this. Can you make 6? 17 hours you can make 5. 5 and 2/3. Can you make 6?
No.
No, cross out. Can you make 5? "17 hours you can make 5 and 2/3. Can you make 5? What are you thinking?
No.
Huh? I thought 17 hours you can make more than 5, right? Can you see? You can make 5 and 2/3, right? If you can make 5 and 2/3, of course you can make 5 lah. Right? Does it make sense to you? So
Yeah.
17 hours you can make 5 and 2/3. So if you can complete 5 and 2/3, my answer to you is, can you make 5? Can you make 4? Can you make 4? Yes or no? Can you make 4 or not?
Yes.
Can you make 3?
Yeah.
Why? Because if 17 hours you can make this x is equal to 5 and 2/3, that means this is the limit. You can make until this, but not anything beyond. That's why you cross out the 6. But anything less you can, right?
Yeah.
Right? You can make 5, you can make 4, you can make 3. Are you clear?
Yeah.
The maximum you can make is 2 and... So if you use a diagram to represent this, it will be what? It will be 5 chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little bit of 5. So if I shade it, I cannot shade the entire thing, so I shade 1, 2/3. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So the question you ask yourself is, can you make 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I can. Right? Can you make 6? Can you make 6?
No.
Why not? The maximum you can make is
5.
5 and?
2 over 3.
Yes. So can you make 6 or not?
No.
Can you make 7?
No.
Yes. So if you want to do it using a diagram, right? This is the diagram. Okay? So similarly, if I give you another question, you have $17, right? So if I tell you $3 per bun, so can you tell me how many buns you can buy? How do you do this? How many buns you can buy? Next slide, yes. You have $17, $3 per bun. How many buns you can buy? Use your calculator if you can't handle it with your mental calculation. But anyway, I ask you how. So how?
$3.
How do you get the answer? How many buns? I ask you how. How to get the answer? Answer. Plus, minus, times, divide. These are the 4 operations. Nothing much. I ask you how to get it. Wait. I ask you how to get the answer. How many buns? Use what operation to find? Plus, minus, times, and divide. Nothing much. P4. You have $17. 1 bun is $3. How many buns you can buy? I give you $17. You go out and buy buns for me. How many buns you can come back with?
15.
How many buns?
15.
15 buns.
Wrong. 5.
I ask you how. You don't give me the answer. I'm not asking you what. Are you paying attention? What's my question?
How?
How? I'm not asking you what. Do you understand English or not? How do you get 5? How do you get 5? Don't think in your brain. Verbalize your thoughts. Verbalize your thoughts out.
I took 3 plus.
Go ahead.
I took 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 until.
Nonsense. Can you do it in a better way or not? You are in what? You are in Sec 2 and you still use plus. Use divide. Come on. 17 divided by 3. What do you get? So you want to find out how many 3 is inside $17. You still use plus. That's P3. You don't use P3, okay? You're in Sec 2. So what do you get? 17 divided by 3.
17 over 3.
Do you think I expect an answer like 17 over 3?
5.66666.
Do you think I want a decimal number? What kind of answer you should give me? What is the exact answer I expect from you? Until today, you still don't understand.
5 whole 2 over 3.
Exactly. You don't understand. Okay, by the way, from today on, we have talked about this. If the question is given as this, you are going to give the exact answer. You don't give me a round off answer. You need to give me the simplest answer, okay? If you answer 17 over 3, you are wrong in your exam. If you answer 5.666, it's wrong in the exam. This is the correct answer in the exam. So that means you are going to buy 5 2/3 buns with $17. Are you clear or not?
Yeah.
So if I use a diagram to represent it, I need to draw 5 and then 2/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2/3. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So my answer is, can you buy 2/3 bun or not? You go to the boss. Boss, I want 2/3 bun. Do you think the boss will entertain you?
No.
So how many buns you can buy? If you cannot buy 2/3.
5.
Yes. Can you buy 6? Can you come back with 6 buns?
No.
Why not?
Not enough.
Not enough. Yes, not enough money. Okay, so if you need to use a number line, go to the next slide. Okay, never mind. Let's go back to the previous slide. 19. Go to 19. Slide 19. So the maximum bun you can get is 5 and 2/3. So you write down 5 and 2/3. And then the 5 is on the left, 6 on the right. So just now we say, is 6 possible or not? Is 6 possible? Can you get back 6? With $17, can you get 6 buns? Can you get 6 buns or not? Hello? No, so cross out. So that means what? That means you can get, so 5 and 2/3 is included, right? So you solid it to the left, because you cannot get 6 buns. So this is the inequality you represent. So which is x smaller and equal to 5 and 2/3. So this is the answer. Alright? Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how you answer this question. I think the last question has some. Okay, you go to the PDF. Okay, I think the last question is this the last question?
There's the last page.
Oh, the fraction thing.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind about it. I will take a look at it.
Okay.
Okay, but anyway, I think I want to focus on inequality today. Okay, I think 8, we still need to discuss a little bit more about question 8. But I think other than question 8, I think the rest you should go back and watch the recorded video, and you should know what to do, right? Alright? Okay, so any other question for me before we end the lesson today?
No.
So next time when we have lesson, you better bring all your tools. Alright? You don't take shortcut. I ask you to use your calculator, you don't go and Google. There is a reason why I ask you to use your calculator. Your calculator, not Google. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Google is not as powerful as your calculator when it comes to getting mixed number, improper fraction, and all this. Are you clear or not?
Yeah.
Okay? So follow instructions. Google means Google. Calculator means calculator. Alright? Okay, good. So I will upload this and then you get to watch this.